Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm just gonna dive into Vechain once again. Please join me into the Discord if you guys wanna have some quick updates here and there. Yeah, now we saw a nice good pump with Bitcoin going to the upside, but with VeChain, there's still an issue. All you did is you pumped, and look, you are finding resistance at this higher time frame, which I'm just gonna show you right now. And yeah, so all you did is look, you have one touch here, second touch right there, third touch right there, a fake out, and you came to the downside. So there is something going on, and VeChain right now hasn't really broken out of this resistance point. Do you see that? All you did is went up to that resistance point once again, and you're finding resistance there. Yeah, the price is moved up. Nice, lovely move, amazing. Clapping to that. Okay, it got you so excited, but I wasn't excited because on the charts, and that's the beauty of the charts, because the charts always give you an idea. Is this actually a real pump or nothing? Because all the time I ask myself one question, that when you reach a resistance and people buy resistance, I ask myself, why are they buying at a resistance? You are being resisted at the prices. It's not a good idea. Yes, unless you don't break out again. But we saw this one before, right? We saw it breaking out and then still making a fake out. So even if you break out of it, wait for the retest back at the 58. Otherwise, another fake out. So that's the issue. And keep an eye on Bitcoin, of course. uh, VeChain by itself is not guaranteed, okay? But the way VeChain behaves, no guarantees are absolutely in the market. But then it all comes down to Bitcoin, how bullish it becomes. Once you get bullish, this is gonna absolutely bounce to the upside. But at this point of time, the downtrend is still there. Nothing to get excited about. Yes, on the 1 hour time frame, or maybe let me make a joke. If you just go to the 1 minute chart, then look at that. That's a bull run, guys. Look at 1 minute charts. On the 1 minute chart, we're making a bull run, okay? But then again, when it comes to the weekly and the higher time frame, which are much more better for judging a coin, is that we are still in a downtrend based on. But there's something very weird that I just noticed, is that on the weekly, it seems like you've broken out of this trend line. The weekly suggests that the trend line is broken. It does suggest that. But on the 4 hour time frame and the daily, it's clear that we didn't really break out of it. But on the weekly, it seems like we broke out of it. But it's just good to filter out it through the 1 day and the 4 hour time frame. But there's one more thing that I'm actually gonna say, and that's the Heikin Ashi, not this one, Heikin Ashi. So the Heikin Ashi has a decision, but the candlestick that you saw is still a bearish one. This candlestick is still a bearish candlestick, because the last time we still saw this uh, undecisive candlestick, a doji, and then we continued with the downtrend. Okay, so even right now, this is an undecisive candlestick, this one, and we might still continue to the downside as well. So that's just how it is right now, this point of time. And that's it for today's VGN update. I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.